Are you a fresher struggling to write your first resume? Fear not, because we're here to help. Writing a resume is a skill that can be mastered, and a well-crafted one can be your ticket to the job you've been dreaming of. So, whether you're a recent graduate or someone venturing into a new field, it's crucial to understand the art of presenting your skills and experiences on paper. Stick with us as we guide you through the process of writing your first resume. Every good resume starts with a clear objective. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a crucial element of your application. A resume objective is a brief statement that outlines your career goals. It's the first thing hiring managers see, and it sets the stage for the rest of your resume. For example, a compelling objective for a recent graduate could be a fresh graduate with a degree in communication seeking a public relations role to utilize strong interpersonal skills. Remember, an objective sets the tone for your resume, so make it count. Next up is your resume summary. This is the section where you get to showcase your most impressive achievements and professional highlights. While an objective tells employers what you hope to gain, a resume summary tells them what you can give. A resume summary is a brief, punchy statement that encapsulates your professional self in a nutshell. It's essentially a billboard that advertises your skills, experience, and qualifications to potential employers. It's your chance to shine, to demonstrate your value, and to set the stage for the rest of your resume. For maximum impact, concentrate on your most relevant strengths and achievements. Be specific and quantify your accomplishments where possible. Avoid generic phrases and instead customize your summary to the job you're applying for. Why is this so important? Because employers often skim resumes, and your summary can capture their attention and encourage them to read further. Remember, your summary is your chance to make a strong first impression. Now, let's dive into your education and experience. Your academic journey forms a crucial part of your resume. Start by listing your highest degree first, followed by lower degrees, if any. Include the name of the institution, your major, and the year of graduation. If you're a recent graduate, your GPA can also be a valuable addition if it's strong. Next, we move on to work, volunteer, or project experiences. Here, specifics are key. List your roles along with the organization's name and the duration of your tenure. But don't stop at just the roles. Focus on your achievements and responsibilities. Showcase your transferable skills, those abilities you've picked up that can be applied to various job roles, like leadership, project management, or problem solving. Remember, potential employers are interested in what you've done and how well you've done it. Your education and experiences are what make you unique, so don't be afraid to show them off. Finally, we'll discuss skills and references. No resume is complete without a well-crafted skills section. This is where you showcase the abilities you've honed, whether in previous jobs, during your education, or in everyday life. But remember, relevance is key. Include those skills that are directly applicable to the job you're applying for. Analyze the job description, identify the skills required, and if you possess them, make sure they find a place on your resume. Now, let's talk about references. These are essentially your cheerleaders, people who can vouch for your work ethic, skills, and dedication. They can be former employers, professors, or even colleagues. The trick is to choose those who know your work intimately and can provide a glowing recommendation. So take time to think through your skills and references. They are more than just add-ons. They can cement your place as a strong contender. Your skills and references can give you the competitive edge you need. Now you should have a better understanding of how to write your first resume. We've covered the crucial components: crafting a compelling objective, creating a concise resume summary, detailing your education, as well as any work, volunteer, or project experience. We also touched on how to highlight your skills and include references. Each element plays a vital role, so don't overlook any of them. Remember, a well-written resume is your ticket to your dream job. So, take your time, put in the effort, and you'll surely reap the